गुड इवनिंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। गुड इवनिंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
तो बच्चों आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन के बारे में और बहुत मजेदार तरीका से आज पढ़ेंगे हम लोग। ओके
यस सर।
तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन चैप्टर नेम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन। ओके तो यू नो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन बिलोंग्स टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शंस। आप बेटा इसको रेशियोज भी बोल सकते हो। ओके तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री जो फंक्शंस है सबसे पहले राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में लागू होती है। तो हम लोग बनाते हैं राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। ओके क्या पॉइंट का नाम क्या है? राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। तो जिस ट्रायंगल में एक कोण 90 डिग्री हो उसको कहते हैं राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। तो ये मान लो मेरा 90 डिग्री है तो ये हम लोग का साइड होगी। अच्छा बेटा ये 90 डिग्री होगी। अब बताओ 90 डिग्री का जो ऑपोजिट साइड होगा, 90 डिग्री का ऑपोजिट साइड मतलब इस एंगल का ऑपोजिट। ऑपोजिट मतलब समझ रहे हो? ऑपोजिट मतलब देखेंगे ऐसे। क्या है इसका बोला? ऑपोजिट एंगल, ऑपोजिट साइड AC। तो AC ऑपोजिट साइड है। तो ऑपोजिट जो साइड होती है उसको हम लोग क्या नाम देते हैं बताओ? ऑपोजिट साइड को हाइपोटेनियस कही जाती है और हाइपोटेनियस इज डिनोटेड बाय H। ओके आफ्टर दैट रेस्ट ऑफ टू साइड्स आर कॉल्ड परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस। परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस। कंसीडर BC is base then AB is perpendicular. If BC is base then AB is perpendicular. तो base and perpendicular is determined through the angle. You know देखो बेटा आप जानते हैं कि अगर हमें कौन सा साइड को बेस और कौन सा साइड को परपेंडिकुलर मानेंगे तो उसका निर्धारण डिटरमाइन कौन करता है? एंगल करता है। 90 का ऑपोजिट तो H हो गई भाई, हाइपोटेनियस। अगर मैं C एंगल के रेस्पेक्ट में बात करूं, प्रेम से बोलिएगा, जोर से बोलिएगा। ओके तो हम आपको एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट दिए हैं कि एंगल हमेशा बेस और H के बीच बनती है। यू नो AC इज हाइपोटेनियस देन यू कैन से BC इज बेस। If BC is base, AB is perpendicular.
Yes.
Am I right or not?
Yes sir.
And from Pythagoras theorem, you have studied perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square.
Yes sir.
Any problem have you got?
No sir.
धन्यवाद। H square. According to angle A, if you want to draw a triangle ABC and you determine the sides which is hypotenuse base and perpendicular. Okay and you know the opposite side of angle 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So S is hypotenuse. Okay and you know also an angle is formed between two sides perpendicular and base, and according to angle A you can say that AB is base. Am I right or not?
Yes.
AB is base.
Yes sir.
Then you can say BC is perpendicular. BC is perpendicular.
Yes sir.
According to angle A, AB is base and BC is perpendicular. Are you? No. Do you know?
Yes.
Do you know?
Yes sir.
Thank you. And you know, right? You can also write H square equal to phi square plus B square. H square equal to phi square plus B square. H equal to under root phi square plus B square. Am I right or not?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Am I right?
Yes sir.
Next point. And you know what is the trick of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta? You know there are 6 trigonometry ratios: sin theta, cosec theta. Okay?
Yes sir.
Sin theta, cosec theta.
Yes sir.
Please listen. Cos theta, sec theta. Okay?
Yes.
Tan theta, cot theta. Okay?
Yes sir.
Do you know there are 6 trigonometry ratios? And you know also sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1.
Yes.
Why sin theta and and cosec theta equal to 1? Why sin theta and cosec theta equal to 1? Sin theta into cosec theta equal to 2, 3, 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
No. Only one. Why? Because cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Okay. Suppose that 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? You know the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And 2 and 2 cancel together. Okay.
Yes.
Therefore this equal to 1.
Yes.
Okay. So sin into cos equal to 1.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Thank you. And you know cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, means you can write cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay. Sin cancel together. Okay. Therefore equal to 1. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
And we also write cosec theta into sec theta equal to 1. Why? Why cosec theta into cos theta equal to 1? Because why cos theta into sec theta equal to 1? Because sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Okay. And sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you don't laughing? Why? Please laughing. Don't understand. Cancel together. 1. And you know also cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay. Therefore tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Can you write? Do you know tan theta into cot theta equal to 1? Why? Because cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay. Therefore tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Therefore tan theta cancel together. Therefore equal to 1. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And suppose that you want to do marry. Suppose that you want to do marry. But suppose that Brahman is not come. मान लो कि आप शादी करना चाहते हो, ब्राह्मण नहीं आए, अब शादी कैसी होगी? तो जरा ध्यान से देख, ये मंत्र है बेटा. कौन सी मंत्र? पंडित बद्रीनाथ प्रसाद.
हरि हरि बोल.
पंडित बद्रीनाथ प्रसाद भाई हरि हरि बोल. हरि हरि बोल. पंडित बद्रीनाथ प्रसाद भाई हरि हरि बोल. 3 बार बोलिए, शादी संपन्न हो गई. ओके. तो पंडित बद्रीनाथ प्रसाद भाई हरि हरि बोल. हरि हरि बोल. It means you understand about this. Now on the opposite side of 90 degree edge, and if suppose that this is according to this angle, this side is called base and this side is called perpendicular. Am I right or not? Am I right or not? Am I right or not? So sin by h, this is the formula of sin theta. This is the formula of sin theta.
Yes,
Sin theta equal to p by h. Sin theta equal to p by h. And you know cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So you can write cosec theta equal to h by p. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
And you know also cos theta equal to this is called p by h is sin theta. B by h is cos theta. B by h is cos theta. Means cos theta equal to b by h. Okay. And you know sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So you can write sec theta equal to base by hypotenuse. No, hypotenuse by base. Tan theta equal to, this is the formula of tan theta. Okay. So tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. And you know cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore cot theta equal to base by p. Any problems?
No, sir.
Many thanks you.
Okay, sir.
Next point. Understand, dear student, understand.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. After that we discuss about important point. You know, listen please. p square plus b square equal to h square. If you want to divide both sides by h square, if you want to divide both sides by h square, then what happens? What happens? Think. What happens if you want to divide both sides by h square? What happens? Think. You can think. बहुत साइड अगर आप इसको एच स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो एच स्क्वायर को 10 को 10 से डिवाइड करने से 1 आता है, तो एच स्क्वायर को एच स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करेंगे बेटा 1 आएगा. एम आई राइट और नॉट? बी को भी आप एच से डिवाइड करेंगे और बी को भी आप एच से डिवाइड करेंगे, तो पी बाई एच इज कॉल्ड साइन थीटा. एम आई राइट और नॉट? पी बाई एच इज कॉल्ड साइन थीटा. बोथ आर स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर. ओके, and b by h is called cos theta. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 1. So we can write sin square theta. This is called sin square theta, and this is called cos square theta equal to 1.
Yes.
Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Next concept: if you write this formula in the form of h square minus p square equal to b square, b square, do you write?
Yes.
Do you write?
Yes, sir.
H square minus p square equal to b square?
Yes, sir.
Any problems have you got?
No, sir.
You think you have no any problems?
Yes, sir.
But I want to explain h square minus p square equal to b square. Okay, you know 2 equal to 3, you can write 3 equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so h square p square plus b square equal to h square. It means you can write h square equal to p square plus b square.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
h square p इस बार लेके आओ, बचा क्या b square. अभी देख बराबर के उस पार 20 h square था,
Yes.
we divide both sides by h square. अभी बराबर के उस पार है b square, so we want to divide both sides by b square. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So when h square is divided by b square, then h by b whole square.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And when this is divided by b square, तो p by b whole square. Yeah. और b square divided by b square equal to 1. h by b is called sec theta, and p by b is called tan theta. Means you know sec square minus sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This is a new formula. Similarly h square बराबर p square plus b square, p square plus b square, h square माइनस, बेटा p को इधर लाए थे, अभी हम लेके आएंगे इधर b को, तो उधर बचेगा p. On dividing both sides by p square, on dividing both sides by p square, तो h by p whole square, b by p whole square बराबर p square by p square. Okay, these are cancelled together. h by p is called cosec theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. There are many formulas, very formulas. How sweet. I am very fat. Thank you. So you have studied many formulas in trigonometry ratios. There are many formulas. There are many relations between trigonometry functions. You have studied sin theta into cosec theta equal to, you can write 1, and cos theta into sec theta equal to 1, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1.
Yes.
Okay, sec theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Please listen. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay, next. There are 6 formulas. We can write some other formulas.
Yes.
Okay, so we can write tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Okay, there are many relations between trigonometry functions. Therefore, there are many formulas in trigonometry ratios. Dear student, now start again. तो बेटा याद रखना फॉर्मूला में कोई प्रॉब्लम बुझाया क्या?
No, sir.
नहीं ना?
No, sir.
नहीं ना?
No, sir.
वाह 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 वाह. तो today we'll study all formulas of trigonometry functions of class 9th and 10th. Dear students, now start again. Okay? Now start.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Values of
Yes, sir.
trigonometry
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ratios. Okay?
Yes, sir.
वैल्यूज ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज या तो थोड़ा टर्न करके ऊपर कर दो. वैल्यूज ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज. ओहो थोड़ा सा इसको ऐसे कर दो. ओके कोई बात नहीं. वैल्यूज ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज. ओके तो यू नो dear student, today we will study about trigonometry ratios, values of trigonometry ratios in different angles. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of sin theta at 0 degree? What is the value of sin theta at 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree? We have to study about values of sin theta at different angles. Okay, what is the value of sin theta at 9 degree? What is the value of sin theta at 9.5 degree? What is the value of sin theta at 15 degree? मतलब many numbers, many angles, many values. Okay, but we study about only what is the value of sin theta at 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Very important concept. Oh, listen please. Theta
Yes, sir.
0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. Okay,
90 आपका 10% है.
sin theta. Please listen. Trick. We want to write the trick. We want to write the trick of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, and you know cosec theta is the reciprocal, sec theta is the reciprocal, cot theta is the reciprocal. So we can't write the values of cosec, sec and cot. Okay? Why hello? Please listen. Sin theta trick. What is the trick of sin theta? Please listen. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We start from 0 and goes to 4. We write 0 below the 0 degree. We write 1 below the 30 degree. 2, 3, 4. And what is the trick of cos theta? Cos theta? What is the trick of cos theta? Please say. Tell me. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. After that, what is the trick of tan theta? 0 by 4. What is 2 by 2? 3 by this. 4 by this. Okay? And you know, do you know what is the reciprocal of 0? You know, the reciprocal of 0 is infinity. The reciprocal of 0 is infinity. The reciprocal of 0 is infinity. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
धन्यवाद, थैंक यू. अब देखो बेटा ट्रिक तो मैंने नंबर लिखा. अब ये कहता है कि भाई साइन अगर मेरे पास 0 डिग्री है, अब 0 के नीचे कुछ भी रहेगा, आंसर होगी बेटा 0. एंड you know
Yes.
cosec theta is the inverse of sin theta. Okay, therefore sin gives infinite.
Yes.
Infinite means not defined. Infinite means
Not
defined. Okay, and sin 30 degree gives. Anybody, do you want to write sin 30 degree? Do you want to write? Want to write? देखो, this is 1, okay? Come on. Come on. देखो, here the tricks है, the below the 30 degree is 1, and you take 4, 1 by 4 under root, okay? Means the value of 1, the square root of 4 is 2, okay? And you can write cosec 30 degree. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? 2 जाएगा ऊपर, 2 by 1 means 2, okay? What is the value of sin 45 degree? Sin 45, tell me.
1 by root.
Sin 45, sin 45, 45, ये 45 है, 2 by 4 under root, and you can cancel 1 by root 2. देख बेटा 4 है, 4 के नीचे 4 लिखेंगे, कट जाएगा। इसका मतलब हुआ कि साइन 90 डिग्री पर 1 देगा, कोसेक अच्छा 60 छूट गया, अच्छा लिख लेंगे बाद में। कोसेक 45 डिग्री रेसिप्रोकल करो, नीचे वाला ऊपर, ऊपर वाला नीचे, कोसेक 90 का 1 ही आएगा। अब देख आगे पॉइंट, अगर हम लोग साइन 60 का बात करें, 60 के नीचे देख, 60 के नीचे बच्चों, डियर स्टूडेंट, 60 के नीचे देख 3 है, 3 by 4 में रूट, तो रूट 3 by 2 होगी। जब इसे कोसेक वैल्यू लिखेंगे, नीचे वाला ऊपर, ऊपर वाला नीचे आएगा, ओके? तो मान लो ये ट्रिक के हिसाब से मैं आपको दिमाग लगा के अभी लिखूंगा, ठीक है? अब मैं समझाता हूं, आप ये ट्रिक को दिमाग में रखना, ठीक है? हम कुछ भी एंगल देंगे, 2-3 को पहले समझा लेता हूं, समझाता हूं। देखो कोस मेरे पास 30 डिग्री है। What is the trick of cos 30? At first we take cos 30 degree in my brain and trick say that trick of cos theta say 0 degree below 4, 30 degree below 3 means 3 by 4 root, and you know we don't know what is the value of root 3. We know, but we don't write. And you know the square root of 4 is 2. It means the cos 30 degree gives root 3 by 2, and sec 30 degree only reverse 2 by root 3. This is the value of cos 30 degree. This is the value of cos 30 degree. Okay? So dear student, we have 2 fans, 2 students. I give you one question, 2 students who solve this problem fast. Okay, now start. तो क्वेश्चन कह रहे बेटा, क्वेश्चन कह रहा है क्वेश्चन, ओके नाउ स्टार्ट, now start. Sine, okay, sine okay, 60 degree, okay. This is solved by Sachi and this is solved by Preeti, okay. This is solved by Preeti and this is solved by Sachi. Come on both girls, now start competition, now start. Come on. Pen, hold your pen. Now start. Please, no. Counting. 1. Now start. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wrong.
Both girls. Right, correct answer. Tali! Wow. So nice. Next. 10 10 10। अब आ रहा है ट्रिक पे मजा। नो we write sec sec okay, sec, okay, this chal solve. Come on girls, come on, new competition girls. Comes village comes. Now solve. No, don't write village. Come on. Now start. 1 2 3. What student right? Absolutely correct. Tali. Bhaskar, you right. Bhaskar आंसर देगा, ओके। भास्कर साइन 90 डिग्री। भास्कर आंसर देगा साइन 90 डिग्री का। भास्कर अभी आंसर देगा साइन 90 डिग्री का। गुड बॉय, ताली। अच्छा, भास्कर न्यू आंसर देगा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। और एगो देगा। यस, कॉमन बॉय। और एगो cos 90 डिग्री। cos 90 डिग्री। बराबर नहीं देगा? बराबर लगाओ।
बराबर।
गुड बाय। तो डियर स्टूडेंट, आप लोग बहुत अच्छा से इसको प्रिपेयर किए हैं, आई नो। तो अब हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे। न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, न्यू टेक्निक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी सॉल्व, ओके। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू एंड फॉर ऑल स्टूडेंट्स हु स्टडी इन क्लास 9 and 10. तो नाउ स्टार्ट। if 10a plus b equal to √3 and 10a minus b equal to 1 by √3, okay?
Yes, sir.
A plus b lesser equal 90 degree and a greater b, then find the values of a and b, okay? Now start. This problem say that 10a plus b equal to √3 and 10a minus b equal to 1 by √3. What is the value of a and b? Okay, in this question we want to solve. Dear student, please listen.
Yes.
At first we write given 10a plus b equal to √3. 10a plus b equal to √3.
Yes, sir.
You know 10 gives √3 at 60 degree. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
10 gives √3 at 60 degree. So we can write the place of √3. Please listen. We can write 10 60 degree at the place of √3 because √3 gives 10 60 degree. Okay.
Yes.
10 both side cancel together, therefore a plus b equal to 60 degree. This is called equation 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, and 10a minus b equal to 1 by √3. 1 by √3, and you know 10 30 degree. 10 30 degree. Please listen. You don't listen. You don't remember. 10 30 degree gives 1 by √3. Can I cancel both side 10? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore a minus b equal to 30 degree. This is called equation 1. equation 1. After that, equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2.
Yes, sir.
Please listen. Equation 1 equal to equation 2. So B cancel together because प्लस 4 माइनस 4 को जोड़ने से 0 आता है और ये होगी 90. ओके, तो ये बराबर हो गई 90/2. सो ए इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
After that, putting the value of A in equation 1, we get 45 degree plus B equal to 60 degree. तो B बराबर 60 डिग्री माइनस 45 डिग्री, therefore B equal to 15 डिग्री. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Hence A equal to 45 degree and B equal to 15 degree. These are your correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Please solve. Solve. This is a question of your book. This is the question of your book. I know. एक्सरसाइज, ये क्वेश्चन है बेटा आपका, ये क्वेश्चन है आपका एक्सरसाइज. अभी मुझे क्वेश्चन मिला था, कौन सा है?